Hey Google, tell me a bedtime story. Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on the video. Good job, you did it, you're here. We're going to be talking about the Google Home and how it can help you sleep. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for hanging out. My name is Andrew. My channel is all about tech and the best place to buy it. Okay, one thing that I found out that you could do with the Google Home is get it to tell you a bedtime story. This will tell you a bedtime story. So whether or not you just want to fall asleep to a soothing voice or you want to use it for your kids, I used it the other night because just like, what the heck, why not? You know, I'm always like looking for different ways to help me fall asleep. But it's also just a fun feature that I learned that my Google Home could do. Alright, so it's kind of startup and setup phase right now. It kind of puts on a fun little show here for us as we're getting it plugged in and everything. There we go. Plays its little tune. Turn it up all the way. I really like this touch feature on the top. Alright, and let's see if we can get it to really tell us a story. Speak to me. Okay. Hey Google, tell me a bedtime story.
Sure, here's one called Cinderella. It's a bedtime story from Story Nori on Google Play Books.
Cinderella. Once, there lived a...
What? That is crazy. It's literally telling us a bedtime story. I think that is super cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna, oh, well, that's way too close. Okay, there we go, that's better. So it's a full story. It tells you an entire story, like from beginning to end. And you just sit there and it's got someone, you know, with this like soothing voice telling you a story and you just like fall asleep, and it's really cool. But I'm actually really surprised with all these different features that I'm finding in my Google Home. It's super fun. I'm on this like journey right now trying to slowly make our place like a smart home. Ow! And so I'm trying, I bought like this smart socket, so I'm going to be trying to utilize that in different ways. I'll make a video about that really soon so you guys can check it out. But yeah, fun fact, Google Home can tell you a bedtime story. So, awesome. Alright, if you guys aren't subscribed already, subscribe, leave a like. What are some features, some interesting unknown features that you know your Google Home can do? Or hey, even shoot some out there about Alexa or some other like smart home pod, you know, configurations or different systems that are out there. So anyway, yeah, let's connect in the comments down below and let me know what you guys are doing with your Google Home. Alright, hey guys, once again, I'm gonna link the best places to buy a Google Home down in the description. The best place with the best deal. Cool. Alright, I hope you guys like it, and it's really fun to own one, so maybe pick one up. You know those ginger chews that you have like for your tummy when you know, it gets all like... I look like Ace Ventura in this shirt. The pet detective. Blah, 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 blah. Ah, now I can see you for who you really are because of my glasses.